are going to talk about the biology's first chapter of class 9, Introduction to Biology. The chapter number 1 named Introduction to Biology. So students, the first thing in this chapter is science. The very first question or the very first definition is science. So what is science? Science is the knowledge that provides us information about the universe. It leads us to know the universe more easily. For example, it is the knowledge in which observations are made and experiments are done. Observations are made, experiments are done, and keen knowledge or observations are provided to know the universe. This is called science. So students, the next thing is biology. What is biology? So it is the study of life. How is this the study of life? It is derived from, the word biology is derived from two Greek words. What are these Greek words? These are bios, means life, and logos means study, thoughts, or reasoning. So by these words we get the definition of biology, the study of life. We can also call it the study of organisms, the study of life, the study of living things. So the next topic is divisions of biology. On page number 2, we have three main divisions of biology. Number 1, zoology. Number 2, botany. And number 3, microbiology. What is zoology? As the word describes itself, that zoology. It is also derived from two words. What are these words? These are zoo and logy. Zoo and logy. Today we are gonna add something here. What is that? We are going to study in a very easy way. The easiest thing, that words describe itself as it is on. How? Zoology, zoology. There are two words, zoo and logy. Number 1, zoo, and number 2, logy. So what is the meaning of zoo, or what do we imagine if we call zoo? Zoo means a place where many animals are together. So it is a zoo, is it? So the place where animals are located or being is called zoo. So, analogy means the study. As we have discussed earlier, logos means study, logi means study. So, the word zoo means a place where animals are situated or being cared. So, logi means study. Zoology means it is the division of biology that deals with the study of animals. Okay, we can also add word the scientific study of animals. So now let's move to the second division of biology, that is botany. Botany. In this, we study about plants. In zoology, we have discussed that we study about animals. It is the branch or division of biology that deals with the study of animals. But in botany, it is the division of biology that deals with the study of plants. So we can also call it the scientific study of plants. Plants only. Okay. The third one is microbiology. It is also derived from two words, micro and biology. So we can say it is derived from two words. What are these words? These are micro and biology. Micro means very small, very small or tiny. The word bio means life and logi means study. So by these words we can make a definition of the scientific study of microorganisms. As we have discussed, we can call organisms to the living things. Living things are also called organisms. So the scientific study of microorganisms means that the scientific study that deals with the very small organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye, means that are too small to be seen. Microorganisms means the organisms that cannot seen by naked such as bacteria. Okay, friends and dear students, hope so that today's lecture is gonna be help you in improving your biology and increasing your interest. So till next time, Allah Hafiz, and do like, subscribe, and share my channel. Allah.